Hello, dear learners. Welcome to the Introduction to GreeneStep ERP CRM certification course, your gateway to understanding how businesses operate in real time and mastering essential ERP CRM functionalities. This course is designed to be easy to follow, aligning seamlessly with your academic curriculum while providing hands-on workshops that simulate real-world business scenarios. By completing this certification, you'll not only enhance your employability in the industry, but also gain valuable insights into real-time business processes and sharpen your analytic skills for data-driven decision-making. Throughout the course, you'll explore key modules such as marketing and product management, sales and distribution, supply chain operations management, HR and people organization, financial management, accounting and taxation, and business reporting and analytics related to ERP CRM systems. These modules are tailored to deepen your understanding and practical application of GreeneStep ERP CRM across various business functions. By the end of this certification, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to optimize business processes, improve customer relationship management strategies, and make informed, strategic decisions. Whether you're aiming to enhance your professional prospects or explore entrepreneurial opportunities, GreeneStep ERP CRM certification will empower you to thrive in today's competitive business landscape. Join us on this transformative learning journey as we unlock the potential of GreeneStep ERP CRM, bridging the gap between academia and industry learning. Thank you for joining us, and we're excited to embark on this educational adventure together.